Yes, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to do these Zuri crochet, and I'm going to use the Darling. These ones for the Darling companies, and this is how it looks like. Yes, we are going to do it step by step for you to understand how we can join them on these baby locking. I don't know, some call them baby locking, others interlocking. So which one is which one? But this is how we're going to do it. But some things that I would like to explain to you before we start doing these, that I would need you to understand, and they are going to help you a lot when using these type of a crochet. Yes, they're made in crochet, but still we can do them individual. How? Just like this, the way we're going to be doing. But what you should remember, like I have been telling you before in my previous videos, that the way we do crochet, whenever the crochet is big, that means even our corner is supposed to be big. But you cannot do a crochet, a small cornrow on a big crochet. What I mean is, like, if the crochet has got a like if the crochet is big in size, then the cornrow is also supposed to be big in size. Yes, there is that thing that has been coming out, like find people are saying that crochet breaks their hair. It is only just because of how they do them. Yes, you find like now this kind of a crochet, but you find someone is doing the small corner. So please, you should stop that. So in that, we're going to use the same procedure on these lockings, that it is also not going to be small lockings. We're not going to lock the small lockings. We are going to use these big, like we have to space them in that we still feel comfortable. You know, like big hair is good, yes, but we don't need it to be uncomfortable for us. We need to do big hair, but when we are comfortable, as in when we can always style it very, very well. And even when you're going to sleep, you can always hold it very well. You know, I find it, this would be the reason why you find people's hairline is breaking. Like when it is overpacked, now you feel like you want to sleep and you're trying to hold it, so you find like you're causing tension in the front hair, and then it causes the breaking. So please, if you're trying to watch this video, I would like you to listen to me very careful to these words that I'm telling you, and try to use it on these individual braiding, and still even when it is on a crochet. Yes, so this is how you can always achieve this locking. Yes, I have forgotten to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and yes, it's a long time, guys. I've been off, but yes, I'm back now. We need to learn both here and even on my website. I'm trying to upload other videos, like very, very detailed, for those ones who are very fast, so that they can learn with me. Yes, so very soon you're going to be seeing that, and the link is going to be in my description. You can always click on that and it will take you straight to the website, where you can learn every hairstyle that I'm going to upload there in detail, like very detailed. Yes, that's what I'm going to, because I realize like most of the times the time here on YouTube is little, so you find like we don't understand some of other hairstyles. And now that is what I'm going to be doing. So this is very, very simple as in locking, but as long as you don't overpack the hair, because I've explained to you why we don't always overpack the hair when we're doing these big extensions. And these things still occurs through that dreadlock. Those ones who have like these big dreadlocks, it is no good like to lock them with if the dread is big, the extension is big, please try to also lock the hair that is big, so that it can always it can always keep this extension for that long, that you're going to, for that duration that you're going to stay with that hair. So this is what I got for you, and I'm using the extension from Darling Company, and it is a Zori crochet. They're very, very nice. So the only way you can use them, it is only know this, but I'm going to try to make sure that at least I do we keep on doing in different style. Yes, we do it in the different style, in that if you can do it in this locking, we can also do it as a crochet. And still, if you can do it as a crochet, we can even still do in other way, by braiding. Yes, it is still possible. So I will always have to come up with something that we can always, or a hairstyle that can fit these hair extension of Zuri from Darling Company. Yes, so this is what you can also do. It is very, very simple, as long as you don't overpack it. Yes, because I've tried to explain the reason why. And yes, and I know that some people are going to ask themselves that can this also go in our normal straight Locs hair? Yes, it can also go in that. So please don't feel like maybe if you have straight hair you won't achieve this hairstyle. You can always achieve it. So this is how it is done. Yes.
I feel your presence on my skin. I feel you spreading out within. This time you got a hold on me. 'Cause now I look at you differently.
Yes, yeah, me. For me, I always love to. I always love to be creative. Like I like creativity. So when I reached here, I was like, let me try to do something else here with her own hair with these side cornrows, just like this. Yes, just like that. And I'm trying to create something simple on the side so that it doesn't look all the same, and I hope you guys can do it. Yes, this way, as long as you know how to braid these cornrows, they're always the best. So this is what you can always come up with this. And guys, I would like to say thank you so much for subscribing. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and the extension that we're using is from Zuri Darling Company. It's very, very nice. Yes, and I have to come up with different hairstyles with this crochet so that you see how you can play around it, and it will help you to achieve all these hairstyles. So this is our most we have to add in because our lockings were very, very long. If you don't add these more, the most is just to make them firm. I always see most of you guys adding the the most even on kinky, but that is wrong. It is just supposed to be on these synthetic somethings. Yes, but something with kinky, no, it is not. So this is what I got for you. See you in my other next video. Bye bye. Go in my comment section, tell me what you think about this hairstyle.